Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing the focus. Pick 3 core topics that represent your content, product, and audience. Once done, open Instagram search and type those topics to capture suggested accounts, hashtags, and phrases. These are raw keyword seeds. Make sure to collect 30 to 50 candidates into a spreadsheet or notes app. Include exact hashtag text, variations, and competitor phrases. This immediate capture prevents lost ideas and gives you the dataset you'll refine in the next step. Now you refine those seeds by intent. Label each as discover, follow, buy, or learn so you target behavior. Next, check hashtag size on Instagram. Favor a mix of small 1K 10K and medium 10K 100K tags to balance reach and competitiveness. Also scan top competitor captions and their related hashtags to spot phrases you missed. Once labeled and sized, prioritize 10 primary keywords and 10 secondary phrases to use across bio, captions, and alt text for consistent signals. Finally, implement the prioritized keywords. Put 2 to 3 primaries in your bio, include 1 or 2 in highlight titles, and rotate keywords across captions and alt text. Measure reach, engagement, and saves for each keyword set over 4 to 6 weeks so you can compare performance. If results lag, swap hashtags, tighten captions, and test more niche tags weekly. This troubleshooting loop helps you isolate what resonates. Keep iterating until a stable set consistently drives discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.